NuCedar is definitely known as the top-of-the-line product on the market, and that goes without saying because of the cost of the material is much higher, the cost of the labor, but it's well worth it for all the advantages the NuCedar put out. The great part about this product is on your inside corners and these corners, they're actually welded together underneath with a applied product. So it just, increases the value tremendously, I would think. To date, we've had 0 problems with NuCedar, and 90% of our homes are built right on the water as this one is. Even on the bay, not on the river. This is on a river. No problem with replacement, wind blow off, no moisture wicking, any of the above, 0. You don't have to worry about any future finishes or painting. It's very flexible, very easy to work with. It molds to rounds, swoops, and radius swoops, which we have on this house, and molds directly to them very nicely. You can use your traditional woodworking tools from in the house, bring them right out here. It's the exact same tools. You don't need special blades. That's a good benefit, I believe. I've been working for Bayview for 4 years now, and it's been on every house that I have built for Bayview, and I see it pretty much staying that way. I don't see it changing.